Welcome back guys, this is WebXfix YouTube channel. Today our topic is how to make a USB bootable Windows or XP or Windows 7, 10, 8 a bootable USB that you can boot your computer. Stay with us. Alright, first thing first. So in order to create a bootable drive, that first you need a pen drive, so which should be at least 8 or more than 8. A 4 GB can be used for the minimum operating systems. Alright, so for this practice we will use an application called Rufus, where you can download it from the internet, and I will also give the link in my description where you can download it. So I already downloaded it, so this is a website that you can use. In this practice I'm using the Rufus portable bootable drive creator, so I have already downloaded it, so you can download it over here. And let's move into the next step. Once you downloaded that, you need to open the downloaded file, which I have already downloaded, so you will get a USB of Rufus, right? So you have to open it. Once you open it, you can see something like this, right? So first of all, I will explain what are these fields. The first field is the device that you need to select, and then the system type, meaning the partition system, target systems type, and the file system, and the cluster size. We can put a name, and then we have to select something over there. So first of all, to proceed with the installation, you need to have a pen drive, and also you need to have the ISO file. ISO file reference that it's a Windows installation file. You can have a Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Vista, XP, anything that you have, it should be in ISO format. So when you download it from the Windows, so you can go to the Windows and just type a Windows 10 download, so it will give you a Windows 10 download things. You can download either 64-bit, either 832. It depends on your computer. So I have already downloaded those ISO files. Now I will go ahead with the rest of the configuration. First of all, you need to plug your USB drive into your computer. Once you plug your USB drive into computer, you can see it over here. So for example, I used a 16 GB pen drive, so I have already plugged it, so because of that it shows over here 16 GB drive. So if you have any other, you can drop it down and you can select the drive that you want. So for the moment I'm using 16 GB and I select. So you can select here a partition types that depends on your system support. So you can select either MBR partition scheme for UEFI computers, GPT partition schema for the UEFI computer. So for this moment I'm going to use the both, because I'm not sure what is my computer format is. So because of that, the people who don't know, they can use always MBR partition schema for BIOS or UEFI computers. And then you can have to select the file system. Obviously it should be a 532 default, and then you can select a cluster size, whatever you want. I am keeping the by default size, and you can give a name over here. I'm going to give XP, because I'm going to install the XP, which is a very old ISO file. So now is the best part. So now you need to select your ISO file. So as I told you earlier, that you need to download the ISO file first of all. Okay, so from here You can keep this as it is, like, you know, two passes and the quick format, because you need to format your pen drive before you install the before you make bootable drive. So so and so over here you can see a create bootable disk using. Over here you can see a disk icon, so please click on that, and once you click on that, you get a place where you have things like ISO files. So for example, I have a lot of ISO files over here: Windows 10, Windows 7, Mac, or Firewall, anything. And I'm going to use Windows XP for my um, purpose. And then you can click open. So once you click open, it takes the ISO image to this application. And then what you need to do is just press the start button. So when you press the start button, since we tick mark the format button, the first step is to format the USB drive. So you can just press the OK button and it will start to write your USB drive, and it will make into the bootable system. So that's all. You have to wait a few minutes until it completed, and then you just need to close it, and that's all. So this will take some time, and I'm not going to keep you until you finish this one. So once you're done up to this, and it will automatically finish, and you will get a close button over here. Just press the close button and you can remove the USB drive. And next time I will show you how to boot a computer using this bootable pen drive. I hope guys got a new tech news today. So let's meet you guys with a new topic in tomorrow. Stay with us and subscribe us.